Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter 16. Question number 7. 7 is a room with square floor of side 6 meter contains 180 meter cube air. Find height of room. Okay. Room with square floor, with a square floor. Okay, with square floor means area of square is side multiply by side and contains air. Contain air means volume is given 180 meter cube. Okay, height of room is calculated. Therefore, according to given question, given part, volume of cuboid of room. Okay, we let room is cuboid, cubical, volume of room 180 meter cube, side of square 6 meter, area of square 6 into 6 36 meter square. Therefore, height of room, calculate height of room. Therefore, height of room means volume divided by area. Height means volume divided by area. Floor area is 36 and volume is given 180. So 180 divided by 36. It means 180 divided by 36. 36 multiply 5, 180. Therefore, height of room is 5 meter. Okay. Unit mention compulsory. Here unit given meter and meter. Therefore, we used meter. Height of room is 5 meter. Answer. Next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is how many bricks are required to make a wall of dimensions 44 meter long, 1.5 meter height and 35 centimeter broad. If dimension of one brick is 22 centimeter high, 22 centimeter length, 10 centimeter breadth and 7 centimeter height. Okay, number of bricks calculate na. How many bricks? It means number of bricks calculate. Okay, according to given question condition, number of bricks. Number of bricks means volume of wall divided by volume of one brick. Okay, volume of wall means let a room is a cuboid. Let room is a cuboid shape. Okay, let room shape is a cuboid. Therefore, volume of wall means wall of dimension 44 meter long, 1.5 meter height and 35 centimeter broad. It means volume of wall, volume of cuboid, LVH, length multiply breadth multiply height. So volume of wall, mention LBH. L length, B breadth, H height. Okay, therefore 44 multiply 1.5 multiply 35. Okay, centimeter, it means centimeter cube, volume of wall. Now, divided volume of one brick. Volume of one brick means similar brick is also shape of cuboid. Therefore, volume of cuboid, length multiply breadth multiply height. It means 22 multiply 10 multiply 7. Okay, therefore, number of bricks, volume divided, this volume divided by this one, 44 into 1.5 into 35. 44 into 1.5 into 35 divided by 22 into 10 into 7. 22 into 10 into 7. Okay, remove that point. So, after decimal one digit, so divided by 10. Okay, solve, cancel out, 7 cancel out, 35 5 time 5 cancel out, 10 2 time 2 cancel out by 22 cancel out. It means volume is 15,000. Therefore, sorry, number of bricks is 15,000 bricks. 15,000 bricks is a answer. Okay, 15,000 bricks is a answer. Next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is find the maximum length of road. Maximum length of a road can be kept in room of size 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Length 10 centimeter, breadth 8 centimeter and height is given 6 centimeter. Find maximum length of road. Maximum length of road in room. Okay. Maximum length in room is we know diagonal. Maximum length of room in room is diagonal. Therefore, maximum length in room is diagonal. Therefore, diagonal is a diagonal of room, 4 walls of room, root L square plus B square plus H square, root length square plus breadth square plus a height square. Length is given 10, breadth is given 8 and height is given 6. 8 10 square 100, 8 square 64, 6 square 36. Okay, add these values, we get root 200. Root 200 means 100 multiply 2. 100 multiply 2. 200. 100 means 10 or root 2 means as it is 10 root 2. So diagonal is 10 root 2. And we know also value of root 2 1.414. 1.414. Therefore 10 multiply 1.414 means 14.14 centimeter. Maximum length in room is maximum length of room is 14.14 centimeter is a answer. Okay, maximum length of road. Next question. Question number 12. Question number 12 is the ratio of length, breadth and height of a cuboid. 5:3:2. Its total surface area of cuboid is 558 centimeter. Total surface area, TSA of cuboid is 558. Then find their edges. Find their edges. Edges means find sides. Okay, length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height ratios are given. Okay, therefore let length ratio, we let length equal 5x because length ratio 5x, breadth ratio 3, so we let breadth equal 3x, height equal 2, we let height equal 2x. Okay, and we know TSA of cuboid. TSA of cuboid is given na. TSA of cuboid is 558, and according to identity, TSA of cuboid is 2 multiply length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay, according to this identity, TSA is given 558, TSA 558. 2 as it is, length into breadth, we let length equal 5x, breadth equal 3x and height equal 2x. Okay, put these values here. L into B, 5x into 3x, 5x into 3x plus B into H, 3x into 2x, 3x into 2x plus H into L, 2x into 5x, 2x into 5x. 558 as it is, 2 as it is, 5x into 3x, 5 into 3 15, x into x, x square, 15x square, 3x into 2x, 6x square, 2x into 5x, 10x square. 558 as it is, 2 as it is, 15 plus 6 plus 10, 31, x square is common, 31x square. Okay, 31x square into 2 equal 558. Here we calculate value of x square na, so 31x square equal 558 divided by 2. 558 divided by 2. Okay, x square means 558 divided by 2. 558 divided by 2 divided by 31 also. Okay, calculate that part, this part, we get a 9. We get x square equal 9. So calculate x equal 3. Taking square root on both sides, square root of 9 is 3. So we get x equal 3. X equal 3. Therefore, according to question condition, we calculate, find their edges. Okay, calculate their edges na. Edges means 5x, 3x, 2x. So length equal 5x. Therefore length equal 5x, and we calculate value of x is 3. So put here x equal 3. 5x means 5 into 3, 15. Breadth 3x means 3 into 3, 9 centimeter. Height 2x means 2 into 3, 6 centimeter. 2 into 3, 6 centimeter. Okay, complete. Question 12 complete. Okay, and in exercise 11 16.1, 16.1, question number 10. Question number 10 here. Question number 10 means the volume of cube is 512 cubic meter. Find its side. Find its side means volume of cube, side cube. Therefore side cube, it means 8 answer. Okay. Question number 11. 5 meter, 30 centimeter, 3 meter length, breadth and height of wall respectively. How many bricks of dimension 20, 10 and 7.5 centimeter will be required to make a wall? Okay, number calculate. Therefore volume of cuboid, volume of room divided by number of volume of one brick. Okay, number calculate. And 12 question we discuss. Next, exercise 16.2. Exercise 16.2. Okay, we discuss about a cylinder, TSA of cylinder, CSA of cylinder, volume of cylinder. Okay, first question, let's see. The diameter of cylinder is 14 centimeter. Diameter is given 14 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. Find the TSA, means total surface area. TSA, total surface area of cylinder, and its volume. Okay, total surface area and volume calculate. Given in question, diameter is 14. Okay, so radius means relation between diameter and radius. Radius is half of diameter. Okay, important part, radius is half of diameter. So first we calculate radius, means 14 divided by 2, half of diameter, 7 centimeter. And height is given 15 centimeter. Height is given 15 centimeter. Okay, diagram. We draw a roughly sketch of cylinder. Okay, radius 14, diameter is given. Diameter means that part diameter na, circle, and diameter is 14. So radius means O to A. OA equal OA radius, and radius equal 7 centimeter. We calculate na. Okay, now this was in also radius. Okay, and AB is diameter. AB is a diameter. TSA of cylinder, and height is also given. Height is given 15. Height is given 15 means O to O dash. O to O dash. This one is height, and height is given a 15 centimeter. Okay, understood? Therefore, TSA of cylinder, we know according to identity, TSA of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus a r. 2 pi r into h plus a r. 2 as it is value of pi 22 upon 7 into r. R is a 7. H, value of h is a 15 plus r. R is a 7. Okay, 7 cancel out. 2 into 22 44. 15 plus 7 22. 44 into 22 968 centimeter square. TSA of cylinder means total surface area of cylinder is a 968 centimeter square. First answer. Second, we calculate its volume also. So volume of cylinder means pi r square h. Pi means 22 upon 7, r means 7 into 7, and h means 15. 7 cancel out. Multiply 22 multiply 7 multiply 15. Calculate 2310 centimeter cube. Okay, volume of cylinder is 2310 centimeter cube. Volume, unit of volume is cube and unit of area is square. Okay, mention compulsory. Unit of area is square, unit of volume is cube. Mention here. Okay, especially volume of cylinder 2310 centimeter cube is a answer. Understood? Next question. Question number second. 16.2. Question number second is find the curved surface area and total surface area and volume of right circular cylinder having radius 3 and height is 7. Radius and height given. Calculate CSA of cylinder. Identity, according to identity, put value of r and h. TSA of cylinder, put r and h, and volume of cylinder, put r and h. Okay, try yourself. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is find the CSA and volume of cylinder whose height is 21 centimeter and area of its one end is 154 centimeter square. Okay, area of base. Find the CSA and volume of cylinder. In cylinder, according to cylinder base, cylinder base is circular, then area of base, we know area of circle is pi r square. Therefore, area of base pi r square, and area of base is given 154. It means 154 equal pi r square. Here we calculate value of r. Okay, so r square 154, pi equal 22 upon 7. Pi equal 22 upon 7. R square equal 154 multiply 7 divided by 22. Therefore, 154 cancel out by 22. 7 time 7 into 7. 7 times 7 into 7 49. R square equal 49. Therefore, we get value of r 7, taking square root on both sides, so we get r equal 7 centimeter. Calculate CSA of cylinder. So CSA of cylinder according to identity 2 pi RH. 2 pi r h means 2 as it is. Value of pi 22 upon 7. R 7 h given in question 21. So put here 21. 7 7 cancel out. 44 multiply 21, it means 924 centimeter square. Answer CSA of cylinder. Next part, calculate volume of cylinder. According to identity, volume of cylinder is a pi r square h. Pi equal 22 upon 7. R square means value of r 7, so 7 multiply by 7. H, value of h is given 21, so put here h equal 21. 7 7 cancel out. 22 multiply 7 multiply 21, calculate. So we get 3234 centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder 3234 centimeter cube is a answer. Okay, thanks.